In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dash Now and read the map in the Dasher app. By the end, you'll know exactly when you can start delivering right away, how to read the color-coded map, and what to do if your area isn't active yet. Start by opening the Dasher app and landing on the home screen. Front and center, you'll see a map with colors that indicate real-time demand. Think of this map as your traffic light for dashing. Red means it's a busy area with high demand. This is where orders are flowing and you're most likely to get offers quickly. Light pink means the area is available. You can still dash there, but it may be a bit quieter than the red zones. Grey means low demand and you won't be able to use Dash Now in that zone at the moment. If your map shows red or light pink where you are, you're in great shape. Tap Dash Now on the home screen to start delivering immediately. The app may prompt you to confirm a few quick details. Just follow the on-screen steps and you'll be online in moments. Once you're active, stay within the highlighted zones to improve your chances of getting orders quickly. If your area is grey, don't worry, you still have options. One choice is to wait nearby and watch the map. Demand changes throughout the day as customers place more orders, so the colour can shift from grey to pink or red as things pick up. Another solid option is to schedule a dash for later. Scheduling lets you reserve a time block in advance, which is especially helpful during busier parts of the day, so you're guaranteed a spot when demand rises. Here's a pro tip to help you earn more efficiently. Dash Now tends to work best during peak hours. Those are the times when more people are ordering, such as typical lunch and dinner rushes or special local events. Planning your dashes around those peaks can mean more consistent offers and less waiting between orders. A couple of quick reminders as you decide where to go. The map updates in real time, so keep an eye on it as you move. If you're on the edge of a red zone, stepping into that area can make a big difference. And if you're scheduled for later but you notice your area turning red now, you can often start earlier with Dash Now if the app shows it's available. That's it. Open the app, read the map, tap Dash Now when you see red or light pink, and if it's grey, either wait it out or schedule a later time. Happy dashing, and I'll see you in the next one.